couple died from carbon monoxide poisoning after having sex in a car with the engine running. Keith Payton, 40, and Selena Johnson, 40 of Williamsport, Pennsylvania, were discovered about 9:30 p.m. on Friday in a garage that had high levels of carbon monoxide. Police speculated the two were having sex when they were overcome because Johnson was partially clad. Marijuana and drug paraphernalia were found in the car. The car's ignition switch was on, but the vehicle had run out of gasoline, they said. A kerosene heater also was on, but it, too, had run out of fuel. The couple were pronounced dead at 10:45 p.m. on Friday, but police said they had died sometime earlier. The coroner ruled that carbon monoxide poisoning was the cause of death. The couple were discovered by an individual sent by Payton's brother, who leased the garage, to look for Payton. Payton had gone to the garage to drop off something for his brother on Thursday. It comes after a New Jersey couple, Jorge Rodriguez, 24, and Melissa Pereira, 25, were found dead last month in a garage, having also succumbed to carbon monoxide poisoning.